We are in danger. This is a pivotal moment in our fight against the coronavirus. Our actions now will determine the fate of many.
All businesses must enforce the face covering requirement on all their employees.
Strong words from state and local leaders as North Carolina, and in particular the Piedmont Triad, continues struggling to keep COVID cases and hospitalizations down. Governor Roy Cooper yet again urging all North Carolinians to wear face coverings, even adjusting some recommendations to increase use of those face coverings. Good evening and welcome to the Fox 8 10 o'clock news. I'm Neil McNeil.
And I'm Natalie Wilson in for Katie Nordine. This comes as numerous counties across the state, including 2 in the Piedmont Triad, went from orange to red in the statewide COVID spread alert system. Fox 8's Rashida Kaba is live in Greensboro. So Rashida, what's the latest on our situation statewide and what are people saying about this?
Well, earlier today, Governor Roy Cooper actually using Mayor Nancy Vaughn of Greensboro as an example, commending her rather for her efforts in enforcing these mandates. And Mayor Vaughn says that since Friday, city officials have visited 150 businesses who have had problems in the past with capacity issues as well as mask mandates. And I spoke to business owners and people who live here who say good on the mayor, and they believe that this is going to help in the fight against slowing down COVID-19.
Let's do our part to keep business in business.
That's the message Greensboro Mayor Nancy Vaughn had as she took center stage at the state capitol Monday. The governor commending her for enforcing mask mandates at businesses as well as capacity requirements.
I think we should be imposing fines to anyone that's not adhering to the standards because it's in everybody's best interest, including the business owners.
One of the owners here at Little Brother Brewing Company agrees with Friday's decision to fine owners whose employees fail to wear masks. His bar and eatery doesn't even allow people inside if they don't have a mask, stopping people at the door.
We also have air filtration as well, but we're kind of sacrificing a little bit of comfort to be the place that everybody knows 100% that they can be safe.
Monahan believes Guilford County is in the red zone for COVID cases in large part because there's still a large group who refuse to wear masks.
We went through this period to where the local government was kind of just trusting everybody to do the right thing, and in a lot of cases that just hasn't been the case.
If you tested negative, that is not a definitive answer or a free pass.
With the governor and the CDC urging people not to travel this holiday, some are heeding his advice.
Normally we go visit family, down on the coast. But we're staying home.
We're going to sit on the front porch with our daughter and her boyfriend and be 6 feet apart and be safe.
Yeah, a lot of people changing their plans last minute, just days before Thanksgiving because of these cases. Again, Guilford County is in the red zone. The governor mentioned that if you do have to go to Thanksgiving and see your family, make sure you get tested, but also make sure one person is handling the food. You guys are eating outdoors if possible and making sure that you have social distancing and masks on your face. Reporting live in Greensboro, Rashida Kaba, Fox 8 News.
People just not wanting to take the risk, especially now. Rashida, thank you for the update.